Okay, so I've created this cube and I've applied 3 different materials to it. And I have a 4th material right here that I'd like to work on. So I'm going to select that and, oh, well, that's not what I wanted. I want this slot to be material 2, not material 3. So let's go change that back. And I guess I'll come over here and I'll do it. So I'm going to go to material 2. And I'm going to say that I would like to work on material 3. Well, that's not working either. All right. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. Maybe if I go to edit, well, I do have an item selected, a face selected, although that's not the face that was changing. But maybe if I unselect my faces and then go ahead and change materials, that's still not doing what I want. Okay, well, let's put this back. All right, I've got material 1, material 2 assigned. Oh, but I've got these slots. All right, and that matches these slots. Well, what if I add a slot? And maybe to this slot, I will assign material 3. And we can go ahead and take a look at working on things this way. Now, what happens if I change to material 1? All right, nothing appears to have changed as far as how things are assigned. If I go to material 1, nothing seems to have changed how it's assigned. So now if I go to material 3, and let's make some changes to it. Let's say that I want to add, let's do a search for, I don't know, a Voronoi texture. There we go. And we'll go ahead and we'll just add that to displacement to create sort of a crazy effect. Well, I seem to be able to make changes and it's not affecting the cube at all. So I can work on a material regardless of what it's assigned to. But of course, that makes no sense for me to work on a material if I can't see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and actually assign it. Okay, and there we go. The point is that you need the slots on the object representing a given material that you're working on. And you just need to be aware of that because it is very easy if you're not thinking or not really paying attention on something that's complex, that there's a lot of parts, a lot of faces, a lot of materials. It gets very easy to be clicking around on something and changing a material and hopping in and out and around, and the next thing you know, your materials are all messed up simply because you weren't really paying attention to where you were making those changes. So make sure that the slots exist for the materials that you're working on a given object, and it will save you some headaches.